Hi everyone. This evening I have Tony's USSC brand pellet stove controller on my test bench. Tony sent it to me because he was having a lot of difficulty making it work in a reliable manner. After some troubleshooting, we decided that he could send it in to me and I would work on it. What I found when I received it was that the connector for the power that goes from the wiring harness to the controller itself was broken. So I apologize, Tony, I did not have one of those in stock, but I did order one in and it arrived today. I installed it and the controller is now ready for final testing. Tony's problem was mostly that the auger would not drive, and certainly when I could repair the connector, the auger drove constantly, so I also had to follow up with the repair on the solid state relay, and I replaced one of the parts in that. So as I turn it on, we'll see the four lights on my tester will come on a different sequence. I have one light that simulates the igniter, one the combustion fan, one the auger, and one for the convection or room fan. So let me go ahead and turn on the controller and we'll see the controller boot up. There's a USSC logo and it's followed by the type that it is, pellet or corn, version, and D-file. So right now I have it in heat range number 1 and we see all the 3 of the 4 lights are on and the auger is cycling, so that's all a good sign. So I'm going to go into troubleshooting or maintenance mode next, which means I press the auger and the off button and the auger delay at the same time for 3 seconds, and it shuts off the lights but it turns on the draft fan. So as I cycle through, if I go away, press the up or down arrow. The other thing to note here, the draft fan light is on over here. That means that I do not have the exhaust fan switch closed, which means I don't have it connected, and I don't because my jumper wire is not in place. So that's basically saying that the exhaust switch is not being closed even though the fan is running. So as I press on the up or down arrow on any of these, that'll go to the next motor or fan, and it takes me to the room fan. It's our fan, room fan. I call it the convection fan. Next button will take me to the igniter, and I have this light labeled as igniter and it turns it on. And the next one is the auger. That's a yellow indicated light. That's the auger. Now if I keep pressing, there's a hopper switch. If the hopper switch was installed on here, which I don't have it on my tester by the way, one of these lights would come on. Press the next one, the status, everything is fine. The next one is 168 degrees Fahrenheit. I do have a thermistor connected to this controller right now. I had it hot just a little while ago, so it's reading the temperature of that thermistor. The next thing, if I press again, 60H, that's telling me that it's reading the frequency of the power coming in at 60 Hertz. And if I press the next one, it's by. So basically it's telling me that it's gone through all of the tests without any failures, which is a good thing. In my opinion, this controller is now fully functional. So I'll let it boot up again and I'll go through the whole test one more time. So I'm on heat range 1. You can see the lights cycling through. Let me go through and we'll cycle through. So there's the draft fan is on, the room fan, the igniter, and the auger. As I cycle through, the hopper switch is not being made, so it's open. The status is fine. 168 degrees F is what my thermistor reads, 169, and the power coming in is 60 Hertz. Bye-bye. That's it. So Tony, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller. I appreciate it very much. I'm going to return this to you tomorrow via mail. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here for help. And for any of you other pellet stove owners out there, if you have any questions, please feel free to subscribe or leave comments in the comment section. Subscribing is always nice. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this. Have a good evening, everyone. Off.